from this to this, from this to this, and this to this. Use any image, a gradient such as this, or a photo, or type. Then go to Filters, Distort and Wave. Set the number of generators 999. Set the wavelength 1999. Amplitude, just vary it. Also set the scale to 1 and 1. Sine and wraparound. What you can also do is randomise. You can see a little preview there. And then apply. If you don't like the coarseness of it, you can always use oil paint. So go to Filter and Stylize and Oil Paint. Apply to the max and click OK. The wave filter can be used in countless ways. Just go to Filter, Distort and Wave. And you can just vary it. Just go to 999 and then just try different wavelength settings. Something like that. About 694 and max of 999. Again, keep the amplitude and scale, and you can see now the result of that. Click OK. Get some wonderful abstract designs very quickly. Instead of using the type of sine, you can always use triangle. Select that, and then change the wavelength. Also change the amplitude, and click OK. You can also fade the wave, so go to Edit, and then Fade Wave. Go to the blending modes and go down to Difference and create some very abstract designs quickly. Again, you can always use oil paint to achieve this kind of result. You can also create some extreme square designs. Set the square option and then set the wavelength, maybe set it to about the max, and click amplitude and change it, and as you do that you'll notice they all shift within this preview box. You can also randomise it to achieve different results. Then click OK. The wave filter can be applied multiple times, so once you've got the settings, click OK, then go to Filter and Wave to create even more extreme designs. Again, you can combine it with oil paint filter. You can also reapply it again and again and again to create even more extreme painted designs in Photoshop.